Hi fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on the Dollar. I'm your host, Ida. Hi guys, today we are going to do another bling project. There are it's a Dollar Tree project. The all the components is Dollar Tree, but the decorations are Amazon. But I always show you the substitute that you can use from Dollar Tree if you can't get the products that I have. Now, I've had all this bling I've been on YouTube for 4 years, so I probably had it for 4 years, 3 or 4 years I've had it. And so I know all of it came from Amazon. I do know that, but I'm not for sure if they still sell it, for one. And for two, I would have to see if I can actually find the link for it. So, but I will, and if I can find the link for any of the components, they will be down in the description box. So, without further ado, let's get started. So first, you're going to want to take your alcohol and clean all your components, all your glass components. And make sure you clean them real good. Get all the dust off of them. You don't want any dust or residue left on it, because it'll cause your adhesive not to stick well. Now, throughout this video, I am going to use hot glue, but I do recommend you use a strong adhesive like E6000 or the Dollar Tree glue. Supplies. You're going to need 2 Dollar Tree candlesticks. You're going to need 1 set of the three theme tea lights. You're going to need 2 of the square candle holders. You're going to need an assortment of bling. Now guys, this right here is where your personal preference is. Whatever type of bling you want to use, that's what you're going to use. I got some crystals, some rhinestones, some mirrors, some smaller mirrors. So whatever you want to use on yours. And if you don't have any of this, use what you have, your Dollar Tree items. Fam, as I said, I'm going to be using hot glue throughout this project, but I recommend you use some type of strong adhesive. So I started off by taking the 0.5 mirrors that I got from Amazon, and I placed them in a diamond formation around both of the candle holders. Fam and guests, if you like what you're seeing so far, please take this opportunity to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell, so you will never miss an upload from us. So fam, as you can see, I took 4 of the 0.5 square mirrors and I placed them in the form of a large rhombus. and I made several rhombus all the way around both of the tea light holders. Once I finished with the small candle holder, tea light holders, I moved on to the stick candle holders. I placed it upside down on the back side of one of the small tea light holders. And as what I did after that, I made sure that everything was sitting right. Now, I did have to go back after I finished the video and refix some of the pieces because they were not straight. But I started off by taking a 2-strand rhinestone wrap, and I placed it around the neck of the candle holders. And I'm showing you right here, always go with the shape of the item, not against it. So I placed them going vertical instead of around in a circle. Once I finished placing all of the 2-strand rhinestone wrap, I went around with some crystals, all different shapes, and I put them in between each one of the sections that were blank on the tapered candle. So when I finished using the first 2 items of the Dollar Tree products, I took both of those, stuck together, and I placed the larger end, which is the bottom of the tapered candle holder. I placed that on the bottom of the square candle holder, and I turned that upside down to do that because I found that doing it this way on any project is easier to center it. So that's just a little tip for you. If you're placing 2 items together and one is long and one of them is round, or just turn one of them upside down and it'd be much easier on you to center the piece. With all 3 of the Dollar Tree items now put together, I went around the top of the bottom of the square base, and I put a 2-strand of rhinestone wrap, and then I took I think it's a 1x2 or 1x3 mirror, and I placed it around all the way around the square candle holder. And then you're going to see me take the crystal wrap, and you're going to see me place it in that top area of the candle holder. And then we're going to come back and we're going to see everything put together. And guys, if you love this so far, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Fam, isn't this turning out beautiful? And guess, so if you like this, please don't forget, as I said, to hit the like button. Also, guys, if you're new here for the first time, please go down in the comments and leave me a purple heart so we can leave you some love. now I'm placing the crystal or wrap around the last of the candle holders. And as you can see, they come out real gorgeous, guys. So as you can see, you can take 3 simple Dollar Tree items, put them all together and make one gorgeous, beautiful candlestick. And people would think you spent so much more than what you did on it. So guys, that's it. The next thing you're going to see is the finished product through pictures. And I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye. Enjoyed this DIY. So if you did, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And remember, guys, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you to the moon and back again. And when I tell you this, guys, I truly mean it. Oh, guys, and our name has not changed. It's still going to be Design on a Dollar. That's what God gave me. That's what y'all like, and so that's what it's going to be. Design on a Dollar.